So students, we are with question number exercise 2.4, question number 2. The next question, in which it is said, use factor theorem to determine g of x is a factor of p of x of this following equation or not. The same question like previous one, we have to check, we have to determine g of x is a factor of p of x or not. g of x ये p of x का factor है कि नहीं ये बताना है. तो ये कब होगा? When this will happen? Only when we will get the remainder 0. That is it. So let us start. G of x is equals to x plus 1. Let x plus 1 is equals to 0, which implies x is equals to minus 1. Now what we have to do is we have to put this x is equals to minus 1 in this equation. So this will become p of minus 1 is equals to 2 minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. What I did, I just take this value of x and put up into the particular place of x. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. So therefore this will be minus 1, correct, like this, 2 into minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1 minus 2 plus 2, and this is minus 1, correct. So therefore now if we solve this, 2 into minus 2 ones are 2 minus 2, this will become minus 2 plus 2 cancel, 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, the remainder is 0. So therefore determine g of x is a factor of p of x. Yes, g of x is a factor of p of x here for this equation, correct. You can write it there. Yes, g of x is a factor, and so on. Okay, then we'll go to the next question, that is p of x is equals to this and g of x is x plus 2. So let again g of x is equals to x plus 2 is equals to 0. So which implies x is equals to minus 2. Now you have to put it x in place of x, we are putting minus 2. So p of minus 2 is equals to 2 into minus 2 cube plus minus 2 square minus 2 of minus 2 minus 1. This will give you 2 cube is 8, but minus sign will be there. Minus 8 2s are 16, minus 16 plus 2 square is 4. Minus 2 minus 4 plus 4 minus 1. So let us check whether we have made a mistake or what. 2 cube is 8, 8 2 are 16, minus 16, 2 square is 4, positive 4, and this 2 2s are 4, minus plus minus 1. Okay, you are right here. 4 plus 4 8, 8 minus 1, that is 7, or you can say 4 plus 4 8, 16 minus 8 minus 8 minus 1 minus 9, which is not equals to 0. So therefore this is not a g of x is not a factor of p of x, correct. So this x plus 1 is not a factor, this is not a factor of this. All right, here this is not a factor of this is a factor of this. Now we'll go for the question, third question. Okay, so I guess we have written question wrong, incorrect, I'm sorry. Here 3 is there, I have not written 3 here, so the calculation is, I was expecting. Anyways, here I have to write 3x, so this must be multiplied by this. Okay, no, sorry, this is minus 2. We have taken this equation, I'm extremely sorry. We have taken the different equations. Actually we have to use this equation, this. So I have taken that, not to worry, that can be a practice for you. We have taken this equation instead of this. So now we have to take this equation because we are solving this question number 2. So this will become p of minus 2 is equals to minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. Now I guess the answer will be different. 8 minus 8, 2 square is 4, 3 are 12, this will be plus 3 2 are 6, minus 6 plus 1. So minus 8 minus 6 minus 14, minus 14 plus 12 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, which is not equals to 0. Anyways, this is not a factor of this. Now we'll go for the question number 3. This is third question. P of x is equals to this, g of x is, let g of x is equals to 0, which implies x is equals to 3. Now x we got as 3, so we can put p of 3 is equals to, in this equation, 3 cube minus 4 3 square plus 3 plus 6. 3 cube is 27. 3 square is 9, 36 plus 3 plus 6, 9. This will be 36 minus 36. This 27 plus 9, 36 minus 36 will give you 0, which implies yes, this is a factor of this because we got 0 into this. Okay, होता है, sometimes it may happen, बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. So I have taken this equation badly, but we have corrected that. But anyways, you might have learned that whatever expression, whatever equation we are taking, we have to use this. Alright, so these were the 3 problems from exercise 2.4 question number 2.